We are here at the Art of Living International Center in Namma, Bengaluru, where the International Women Conference was held over the weekend. The International Women's Conference already kicked off on a very high note with the Honorable President Draupadi Murmu inaugurating the event. During this 3-day event, women from all across the world have come together to inspire and be inspired.
This year's theme, Just Be, reminds us to embrace who we truly are, without limitations or labels. It's about being present, being fearless, and being unapologetically ourselves.
I feel proud to share that India's Nari Shakti is rising to aspire, achieve, and contribute. Our sisters and daughters are moving ahead, holding their heads high. They are making their families, institutions in the country proud.
महिला हर घर में ऐसे सकारात्मक वातावरण करने वाली होती है. जस्ट बी माने सिर्फ आपके होने से एक वातावरण निर्माण हो जाता है. जब आप खुश होते हो तो परिवार को, समुदाय को और देश को आप प्रसन्न कर सकते हो.
But what does it truly mean to just be in a world that continuously expects more from women? Let's find it out.
Every conference has grown only bigger in scale, reach, and impact. And therefore, being the 10th conference, it's been 20 years now since we are hosting this. This is really a significant milestone.
So if you have to be just me, the first lesson, genuinely be in the moment at that time, not necessarily looking at all that glitters, but at looking at whatever brings you peace. Be it a cherry blossom in Japan or in Bengaluru. Just be.
Now let us hear from the voices that are redefining empowerment, breaking barriers, and setting new benchmarks. How do a woman in male-dominant society approaches an industry like that? What were your barriers like when you started doing this?
So, I think every industry will have barriers, right? I mean, if you're trying to disrupt an industry, or if you're trying to make an industry work differently, you're going to have a lot of barriers. And it never really bothered me. For me, it was about going out there and doing what I really wanted to do. For me, it was about going out there and achieving my end goal.
Beyond social changes and leadership, this conference also focuses on inner strength. Spirituality plays an important role in women empowerment, helping them to find balance, clarity, and resilience.
We are here at the Art of Living Center, and the people here are all very like-minded, all here together for a very strong reason. On an individual level, we are here, but collectively we are all one, and that is the impact that this has, It feels lovely to be here after a long time, and it was my dream to bring my daughters here, and I managed to do that.
Art of Living हर एक क्षेत्र में काम कर रहा है, वो भी बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है. वुमेन्स को इतना इम्पोर्टेंट दिया जा रहा है क्योंकि हमारे इंडिया में अभी भी कहीं ना कहीं है कि मेल डोमिनेंट बोला जाता है. तो धीरे धीरे ऐसी एक स्टेप से हम लोगों का जो वुमेन्स को अपने ऊपर विश्वास बढ़ेंगे और कुछ बड़ा करने का होप आएंगे. तो मैंने बचपन से देखा था कि मेरी कॉम दीदी खेलती थी, तो उनको देख के मैं इंस्पायर हुई थी.
These conversations will ripple around communities, industries, and generations to come. It's generally said that women are not good in finance and all. What according to you is the one myths that hold women to not go into the finance sector?
Okay, so first of all, I think only women say to themselves in their head that women are not good with finance. That's not what the world says. if you look at all statistics, they will tell you that wherever women have managed money, they've actually got better returns, right? I think the two myths women need to break in their head is that finance or money management is it's very complicated, it takes a lot of time, and it's all about numbers. And the second that men do it better, it's actually the truth is that women they have better attributes.
As this grand conference comes to a close, we ask you, what does Just Be mean to you, so that we can keep this conversation alive beyond this event. Until next time, stay strong
and stay inspired.